Hi, I'm Aiden. Before this video begins, I want to let you all know that my Twitter is the best way to keep up to date with all of my content, so I highly recommend following my Twitter to be notified whenever I post. I also am going to hold giveaways through my Twitter in the future, so if you would like to be part of the first people to know about those, I recommend following my Twitter. My handle is @loudbeep1. Alright, with that out of the way, let's talk crypto. So today is December 23rd, 2002. Current price of Bitcoin today is $16,851, which is a short jump from what it was yesterday. Yesterday it was sitting at about the mid 16,000s. In my opinion, my stance on Bitcoin's price action has not changed very much over the past few days. I still believe that Bitcoin is currently, well, as we all know, our economy is currently in a bear market right now. So the next bull market, whenever that begins, some people believe it will begin in 2023. Others believe it will take until 2024, 2025 to start. But whenever that bull market occurs, I definitely see Bitcoin breaking through the 100,000 mark, at least hitting an all-time high, and that's just the start of it in my opinion. The second token that we look at is Ethereum. Currently, Ethereum is trading at $12.19, almost $12.20. Ethereum has seen moderate price action within the past few months, and just similar to Bitcoin, I still believe that Ethereum is a long-term asset that should be definitely seeing profits within the next year or 2 years. Depending on the state of cryptocurrencies and how far mass adoption gets within the next couple years, I definitely can see Ethereum overtaking Bitcoin as the #1 cryptocurrency by market cap. Ethereum had a 24-hour trading volume of $5,680,000,000. The final main token that we look at is Binance, or BNB. Currently, BNB token is trading at 245, just shy of 246. The 24-hour volume is $448 million US, which is down a little bit from yesterday, down quite a lot actually. But regardless, through Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB, we are seeing solid price jumps. This is a good sign for crypto markets, especially considering that, like I mentioned before, we're still in a bear market. We're not even in the full bull cycle yet. So to be seeing these small, consistent gains over an extended period of time, it's good news. And so hopefully the crypto market can carry this momentum into the bull market. And who knows, maybe we'll see some crazy gains. Bitcoin to 100K, possibly. Ethereum to 5,000, 10,000 possibly, and BNB to 1,000. It's all possible. Is it probable? Probably not, but only time will tell, so we can just keep our fingers crossed. Alright, here we have the CoinGecko charts of the top 5 crypto gains and losses over the past 24 hours. Like I mentioned before, I only look at the top 300. If you take the top 1,000, there's a lot of coins in there that have low volume and low trading volume locked. So I tend not to look at those, as the price can be easily manipulated and not truly reflective of the project. So here we can see over the past day, the top gainer was Synapse. Synapse dropped or gained over 27%. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really sure what the main jump or main cause of this price jump was. There wasn't too much news that released about the Synapse protocol, so I just believe that it's more user adoption and stronger buyer action, and there are probably some indicators that I'm not aware of which are telling more investors and crypto enthusiasts to buy more of Synapse. Looking on the other side of the top losers in the past day, Credit Coin unfortunately came in at -9%, which is, it's honestly not too bad looking at this chart here. We can see that the top gainers are going up, 10, 20%, and the top losers are only losing about 6%, 9%. So here I have the price chart for Synapse, and we can see that yesterday at about 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, that's when the price jump really occurred. It shot all the way from about 43 cents to the all-time high was, I believe that's about 61 cents. So it was definitely a pretty big jump for Synapse. Congratulations if any of you were holding and chose to cash out. Alright, going over to the main news topic of today. If you have been following the FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried storyline, this has basically been all over the news, not just crypto news, but even mainstream news. So Wednesday, if we go over the timeline, Wednesday, Sam Bankman-Fried was flown in from the Bahamas to the United States on a federal aircraft. Thursday, he had his first pre-trial meeting in a federal court. This court case happened in, I believe, Manhattan, New York. And then also yesterday, he posted, or his parents posted, his $250 million bond. So the details of his bond payment and his bail is that, like I said before, his parents paid $250 million. He has to live with his parents in California, and he is basically under house arrest. So in my opinion, I'm not really sure the laws around posting bond, but I believe one of the main issues that a lot of people have in the community who are upset at the situation and who are upset at Sam Bankman-Fried, and reasonably so, their main concern is that based off of the alleged crimes that he committed, that Sam Bankman-Fried committed in regards to FTX and Alameda using customer funds, a lot of people are mad at the fact that this $250 million bond that he was able to post bail with was more than likely used from customer funds. However, once again, he's just being accused of these crimes and committing fraud and all these federal crimes, and he has not been sentenced or found guilty in any of these crimes. So I believe that is why him and his parents were allowed to post the bond using this money. So regardless, if the US government finds him guilty of all these charges, him and his family will most likely have to pay all this money back. But for now, because he hasn't been charged on anything, that is why I believe he and his family were able to make the bail. So to all you out there who are angry about that, that's my explanation. Now, with the news of Sam Bankman-Fried posting his bail, we can see that the FTX token shot up significantly yesterday, which was Thursday. It went from about 87 cents, shot up all the way to about $1.10. So that's 23 cents, which is almost a 25% jump. Currently, it's trading at $1.02, so not near the $1.10, but still it's a significant jump, about 25% higher than it was trading at yesterday. However, if we look at the year-to-date chart, we can see it is not good. This is really sad, and you can tell once again that early in November, this is when the news came out about Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX, and Alameda, and that's what ultimately caused the token to crash. Alright, that does it for today's video. If you agreed or disagreed with anything I said, please leave a comment down below. I'd be more than happy to respond to it, whether it's for or against my opinions. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say in this video should be taken as financial advice. Alright, thank you all for listening and watching. I'll see you all next time.